Hello, IK here. Welcome to AI Teacher Part 7 RAG. RAG is this. What is state? Enter. Every component is like an object in OOP. It has a variables and the methods. Here we call the variable state. Uh, can you explain, etc.? This is strictly my words. This is strictly, and uh, it is RAG. It is my text. And for what I need here, AI teacher, LLM, I need LLM only for natural language. And I don't permit that LLM use own knowledge from machine learning, from his base knowledge, because a student can go to ChatGPT or other AI and ask what want. Why use what want uh, from LLM, machine learning, basic knowledge? But when it is in my AI teacher, uh, LLM was have to communicate my text, my explanation. Okay, what is it? What is props? Uh, every component can have props, short for properties. The architecture of a React app is cascading components. That cascade is created from parent and child components. Okay, it is a very short chunk, and main job. Okay, main job in AI application as this one, LLM application, is RA RAG RAG, our text, our content, what what we give, what we put in this application. Here is a server, endpoint, and the user interface front end send to server, in a request, send, we take it messages. What is in that messages? In that messages is input, user's input, plus history, all chats from chat window, history and input. And it must go to LLM. But look at what go to LLM. In LLM, uh, go final message. In LLM, go final message. Uh, Here is API and the final message. What is final message? Final message is declared here. Uh, it is role system content. We must find it, comma. It is array of system content and messages. Messages, we said, messages is complete history from Windows chat plus input, plus input. And now we have a system content. It is, what is it? Look at here. It is system content. It is object. What system content? It is that together with other, altogether, what we send to LLM is RAG, RAG. And RAG is most important. It is without it, LLM would be only some kind of search engine with the natural language. LLM would be some kind of uh, encyclopedia online like we have until now. And but RAG it is possibility that LLM we use in our like our original product with our content. And system content is, look at here. You are AI teacher, important role, use only text from module below. Don't invent, rephrase, or expand explanation, you see. Copy text directly from the module content. If the learner asks about something outside, uh, about some outside, outside what? Outside RAG, outside of content. Replay, we will cover that in later modules. It is all information, context that LLM don't use own knowledge. Because I build this AI teacher, I won't put my content. I can publish book, I can publish video courses, and now I can publish, I can by a month in classroom present my knowledge, but teach people. But now we have a possibility that create a mobile application or desktop application, online application, what is connected with LLM, but LLM use only our text, and it means that my book can go in that form, can be in that form also. And this moment I experiment with it. Okay, it is important rules. Here is okay. See also up. It is system content. System content. Here is a text. Here is object value modules. It is presentation of all complete presentation, complete all modules or modules what we ask for. And but here by mode title and mode content. And it means that creation of that list on the Windows chat. Okay, it is uh, uh, and here is a final message. But now we must see where is that object modules. Let's get up. Here it is. You see object modules. Object modules. Here is all modules. Object here is all text, my text about topic of teachings, and detail of teaching is depend about me. Title, content, React e-commerce, how it loads. Here is my text. React state and props. Here is my text, and it is constant modules, and we have something else. Teaching rules. Teaching rules. Uh, Teaching rules. But I don't see where we use teaching rules. No, I don't. Yes, here it is. It means that for every module in that list, you see, map list of module of content, every of them uh, join. Every of them join also dollar teaching rules object. It means that we don't need write teaching rules for every module, same, because it is the same. Teaching rules are same for all modules. And in that list of modules, for every modules, uh, uh, LLM must thinking on teaching rules. And what is teaching rules? What say teaching rules? Here it is. Teaching rules. Teach in small chunks. Wait for go on. But I must analyze it. There is a lot of job about creation RAG. For example, I must experimental must control what concretely it is in practice. That we understand text. Okay, I am responsible for what a student will see, and I must decide it about, but I must lot of experiment. Each chunk, yeah, here it is, 2, 3 steps or concepts plus exercise. I must control this. Maybe it is very small, maybe 2, 4 steps. Show short code snippets only. Show. And each section with can you explain this in your words? Okay, you see. Uh, and here is the modules. And this teaching rules, it is for every modules. And here is all modules is in one object. All modules is in one object. And every modules there is a title and content, and every modules there is a properties only 1, 2, 3. There is no model 1 model, but in experiment I will see do I need it also. Okay, in any case, it's a very interesting possibility of LLM. Uh, this is AI teacher, but we can use this application for anything, any content what we want to produce, publish, uh, publish in this format, helping by LLM. When you look at this kind of, we can create one idea, one author's give idea that he put all books, notice from books what read here in this type of application, LLM application, with this type of assistant or LLM assistant. And put all books and put all notice because 99% we forget what we read, what we notice. And in practical life, everyday practice, uh, ask uh, your own assistant what what I learn from books, what I learn from my notice that can me help now, and something excellent, excellent. Of course, this kind of application is like we must always compare it with website. For example, assistant who communicate with you, with the customer about articles in that products in that e-commerce. Uh, okay, he communicate, but it have a price that tokens in communication we must owner of e-commerce must pay, and owner will ask yourself, do I need assistant for speaking about product when I when every customer can see that in a well organized website menu and all about products can search why, and customer for customer is better to buy book by website of Amazon than spoke about books and use assistant LLM as search engine in Amazon. When Amazon have excellent search engine and or every e-commerce, and absolutely we must uh, experiment and um, look at what is the reason that I use application like this. What is the reason? Because it is practically my book, will be my book, text would be my book, and LLM is only here because of uh, natural communication with the human. Okay, this video is about importance and RA, RAG, RAG. But this kind of application never simpler. We have some user interface. Here it is in React. And from that user interface, we have server, Express in this situation, and Node, Express, and server communicate with LLM and communicate with user interface. User interface send request to server, server send request to LLM, and same path all go back to user interface. Again, in summary, that from user interface go to server and LLM, go all history in Windows, all chat history in Windows chat, and go input of users. Uh, Windows chat is content replay and input, input, replay, input, replay, input, replay. And altogether, it must go, always must be sent to LLM, because LLM, there is no memory, and LLM with history and prompts, and now for instruction, teaching rules, and content from modules, respond. response, send reply. And we say strictly use only text from RAG. And depend uh, by our experience with it, uh, how much we can give to LLM freedom, possibility of randomness, and the freedom to use open knowledge. And it is for our experiment, but uh, because on the some situation when we pay tokens, it is cost, but there is a Meta LLM from Meta, and we can build AI teacher and some assistant with Meta LLMs, Meta's LLMs, uh, and with that Meta elements, Meta LLMs free, we can create mobile product, desktop product, and online product. Okay, it's enough for this video. Thank you for watching this video.